Welcome to the RE channel, brought to you by Space Level RE. Our mission, empowering engineers to manage space products. This is our introductory video. My name is Tod Redick. When young and first learning of space, I remember standing in my grandmother's backyard, shining a flashlight out into space at different objects in the sky and thinking, that light must be going to those places. I imagined it traveling through space and all that it must be seeing and experiencing. Space was mysterious and amazing, and still is. Eventually, I pursued building space products, maybe the same as many of you viewers. I am glad I did. I accomplished my goal and given the opportunity to work on products destined for space. I remember thinking, wow, something I have worked on will be out there in space. I was proud of that, still am. Over the years, I have witnessed that many colleagues in the space industry share that same passion and pride. It is also a large part of why I am here and Space Level RE exists. We want to share with the industry some crucial lessons so it can improve and thrive. Space products are innately challenging anyway. They are complex engineering systems that must survive ground, launch, and space environments. These high-level requirements are already difficult to achieve, but experience has revealed that continuously building these products and turning a profit is a whole new layer of challenge. Much of that experience occurred when building high-power geosynchronous satellites. Though we did have numerous accomplishments, we also endured operations which were often in reactionary state due to operational inefficiencies and product issues. These problems had many negative effects, such as lost profits and jobs, therefore putting the company's survival in jeopardy. But on a positive note, lessons were learned, and it was clearly recognized that we must and then proven we could do better. Let's introduce some basics. There are many variables related to business success. Let's go to 4 possibly considered unique lessons learned from firsthand experience. 1. It is inevitable that changes to product will occur, introducing risk of failure. Those changes might be planned or unplanned. 2. Part failure mechanisms are often not one variable, but a combination of variables. 3. A properly trained expert engineer, which we call the responsible engineer or RE, is necessary to manage the product. 4. The quality management system, or QMS, and culture must empower the RE to proactively target risk mitigation. If a space products company does not recognize these 4, then that company's existence is at risk. And unfortunately, that seems to be the case. Space product companies whose training, QMS, and culture do not correctly identify or address these variables or risks. Recognizing the central role the engineer must have in product design, quality, manufacturing, and ongoing management is why our simple yet on-the-mark mission statement is empowering engineers to manage space products. We use 3 methods to show others the experiences and lessons which brought us to these conclusions, and then tools and resources to help others not only avoid the same difficulties, but to structure operations for long-term success. They are the book titled The Responsible Engineer. Then we have the RE channel on YouTube. And then we have direct interaction or consulting. I'll give a brief overview of each. The book, titled The Responsible Engineer, is the foundational component of space level RE activities. There are so many diverse and immense subjects related to product and business success that a book was necessary to organize the data. Its beginning chapters contain real satellite product failure investigations and highlights a system named Revis we engineers built and successfully utilized to manage our products. The book then goes on to show other lessons, subjects, and tools. A few example subjects are quality management systems, supply chain management, project management, configuration management. All these topics, plus others, relate to product risk, hence overall success. In fact, I claim that the experience and empirical data clearly reveal that a general understanding and proper implementation of those subjects are a requirement for long-term success of the RE product and company. Then there is our YouTube channel, the RE channel. It is a great option to share videos which dive into book topics or adapt and grow in new directions. Videos such as this one are an example. Then we also have a video titled The Responsible Engineer, which goes deeper into book structure and content. Then there is Case Study 2, taken from the book. It was chosen because it clearly showed a couple essential lessons which are foundational to our mission. Watching those 3 videos will give the viewer an understanding of our foundational material and purpose. As Space Level RE grows and the RE channel grows, additional videos will be added. For example, another video which was initially created for an in-person presentation to space product startups will also be shared. Then there is direct interaction or consulting. This is a potent way to exchange information, learn, and plan. In fact, direct proactive communication with, for example, the supply chain and product stakeholders are a requirement in the system I mentioned earlier, which we engineers created to manage our products. Many types of businesses or organizations could benefit from direct interaction. Let's start with the obvious: space product manufacturers. That could be for startups or established operations. After all, some of the benefits of understanding and correctly implementing our material are low product failure rates, continual improvement, and optimized resources. Those are smart business goals for any business, no matter what stage. Our case studies and many of our lessons are derived from this environment, so have a very direct relationship. Then we have academic institutions. Teaching engineering students real-life product realization, management, and ongoing production lessons and tools have numerous benefits. From a university perspective, it creates a better prepared student who can handle real responsibilities. This increases the value of the education, resulting in higher placement rate and reputation of the university. For the students, it allows them to better choose classes and even career path. I have witnessed engineers that were severely ill-equipped to be REs from numerous perspectives. This is not good for business or careers. Then we have related organizations. There are many possibilities here. All of the subjects mentioned earlier are supported by businesses who teach or utilize it. Initiating or strengthening links with them would be mutually beneficial. In particular, I would point out quality management standards. These are great standards, but I have witnessed engineers and manufacturers not adequately teach, understand, or design their quality management system to capture its benefit, leaving significant risk in product realization. And experience has revealed this reality. If, for example, a company did not initially identify where product risks are, how could it design an effective quality management system to assure continuous high quality? Considering its importance, the book has significant material on quality management systems. Space Level RE also has another goal which relates to all these organizations. The book has a chapter advocating the creation of an RE standard, which is specifically designed to train engineers to manage their product. That goal would require coordination and significant effort between many various groups. Successful completion and proper usage would raise the bar of any user and the entire industry. If the viewer would like to learn more, here are some ways. The book is available on Amazon. Just type The Responsible Engineer, Tod Redick. You've already found the RE channel. Then there is Space Level RE's website at www.spacelevelre.com and our email at help@spacelevelre.com. Projections for the space products industry are robust and exciting. There is a lot of investment and opportunity, but space products are also rapidly transitioning toward being more common product with more competition. This will cause making continuous profits, which are difficult anyway, even harder to achieve. The future is bright for those that learn from the past, then proactively and smartly structure operations. They will have a significant advantage over those that do not. Space Level RE can help with that process. This concludes Space Level RE's introductory video. If you'd like to support our effort, please like and subscribe, and also watch the other videos and check back regularly for new material. Viewer support and feedback will be considered for future projects. Goodbye and have a great day.